All right, you guys, so I got it back up there. Now you're gonna need some assistance because this is a heavy one. Again, my retractable hose is 155 feet. Like I said, you could get them 75 feet, 50 feet, 100 feet, 125, 130, just different numbers. So unfortunately, this one is super heavy to put up, so you will need an extra hand. You could do it yourself, but I call my manpower. My son came and picked this bad boy up for me. But like I said, the installation is super easy. 4 screws hit that stud behind your wall on your house. Usually you have a stud at the lower part. You may even have more than one. It could be the framing could be I'm thinking 12 feet wide, maybe, that type of board. I know mine's is about that. So you should more than likely hit a stud, okay? So that's what you want to focus on, hitting the stud. You don't want to break into your concrete, your foundation, but you want to hit that stud so that this will stay in place for you for a long time to come. So again, super easy, DIY, get it done. You will love it. I'm going to do a video on how it retracts back, because this thing retracts back super fast, you guys. And if you're not careful, you could get slapped with this daggone thing. But I love the fact that it retracts back. It is so easy and freeing. Less stress with a water hose. You're not flipping and running back to untwist and things of that nature. It's just super easy, and it's a great gardening appliance tool to have in the garden, you guys, and I am so loving it. And again, I will show you how to retract it back. It's super easy. I've been all over the yard, the front, the back, left, right, middle, mailbox. I just love it. So it is it's turning out to be a wonderful garden appliance for the yard. And again, there are many name brands out there. This is my first. I know there's Hose Link out there. There's just several of them. Just do your research, decide on what's best for you, your budget, what's economical for your budget, and just things of that nature. You do what is feasible for you. But I love it. I'm enjoying it, and it is it's just great. So this is SEK giving you guys a review on it, and I will definitely do more videos with you. Showing you how far I'm getting in my yard with it. All right, you guys, so get it done. DIY, easy peasy. SEK the Homesteader. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. All right, you guys, so I am back with the water hose down. So this is the locker. So once you put the water hose on, you just slip that in to the retractable hose, and you see all the little outlets that it's going to go through right there and over here, and you just sit it right up here and you slip it down, and that's it. So it's very simple. But again, make sure you pay attention to your arrow. We did not see this arrow at the beginning, so this part is up, not down. We made a mistake again and did it downward, and then we had to take it off, and that's how we got these extra holes over here. And now we have it situated right. So what I'm going to do is pick up this heavy hose, back up, and situate it back on top. But again, super easy, you guys. Super easy. Hey you guys, SK the Homesteader here with an installation of my automatic retractable water hose by Giraffe. And you guys, this project is so simple. It's a simple DIY. 4 screws, hit your stud, and you good to go. So the only thing that I wanted to tell you guys is make sure that this is sitting the right way, because we put it with this at the bottom. Even though it had the arrow going up, we messed around and didn't see the arrow going up, and we put it down here. So we had to flip it around, put the screws and the bolts in, and set the retractable hose back on it the right way so that it can flow easily. So what I'm going to do is show you guys if I can, because it is super easy. So what I'm gonna do is remove this piece that's holding the hose up so that you can see how easy the base is to put on. And once you get your base on, you just hold up your water hose, slip it in, and this is like the locker for it to hold the water hose. So what I'm gonna do is pause for a second, take that off so you guys can see that part.